how much of all this is worth, because let me see the time. It is 9:17 and we got to take our temperatures. By the time we get out of here, it'll be like almost 9:30. We got to be back at 10.
Even if we have already do the COVID test.
Right. You know, we could have caught COVID in the bar, we could have caught COVID inside the boat and gotten fever in 4 hours. Deuces. (9:20), we finally took the test. We finally took the test. The temperature check. And it looks like there's 2 restaurants or something.
Seems nice.
So, it does? That's because it's dark. That's why it seems nice. So that's the restaurant. Looks like it's the only thing around here.
We are lost.
How can we get lost? There's only one street. So we took a break to drink a little Coca-Cola. Podes te introduzir ou não? Podes te introduzir? Não? What's your name? What?
Sabrina.
Sabrina? Oh, it's nice meeting you, Sabrina. Thanks for serving us in the excellent service. No? What? Oh! This is very interesting. So I'm assuming this is for the guys.
For the girls.
And that's for the females.
And look.
Oh, this is very interesting. A frying pan. Very artistic. A frying pan, and then you have what it's usually used for beer as the water faucet. Okay, I like it. So yeah, it's 10:07 and we're going back to... We are going back to the boat so we could get back to Praia. Deuces. So here we go.
Again.
Yeah, we're going back. These stairs are kind of funny. So, see how the stairs are? We got, hola. We got lovely.
Maybe you can go upstairs and see.
No, you can't see.
Ah, you cannot.
Ali? Up a speed? Okay, obrigado. So we're gonna go upstairs, check out the marvelous view of São Nicolau Islands. Oh wow, okay. Hopefully I'm not gonna have to record on one of these, okay? But if I do, I'll make sure to save enough battery so I can record video on that. São Nicolau in all its glory. And now what time did we say? That's the crew. What time are we supposed to get there? At 10 in the morning?
10:30.
10:30. You said 10 o'clock, now you're moving up to 10:30. Next time you're gonna say 11 o'clock, man.
No, it's between 10 and 11.
See this guy?
Senegalese time, you know.
So, oh my god, another 12 hours.
Joy.
And now it's non-stop.
There is other stairs. I don't know if we can go.
What?
There is other stairs.
Yeah, let's go, because I saw... it definitely needs some kind of paint. Because it's getting rusty. Why am I wearing this? So this is the top part of the ship. And I think I pretty much gave a good tour of everything. They got more stairs over there. You want to go up there? I'll record you.
No way.
Right up there.
I can take the camera if you want.
No, no.
No way. Here, look. There are stairs here.
Oh, there's more stairs there.
If you want.
Oh, too bad there's chains. All right. Well, this was interesting. But I think the most interesting part is downstairs where people they have like they brought their own beds.
Ah, yeah.
Next time I'm definitely gonna bring my own bed.
Yeah.
You know what? I'll bring like one of those.
Don't forget the pillow.
I'll bring one of those where you put the air. Yeah. All right. When we get down there, I'll continue the recording. So right now we're gonna go check back, just to check on our bags. You see, you got people sleeping on the floor, and I think we came the wrong way.
No, there is no way here.
So you see what I'm talking about? Next time I am bringing my own bed. And this one, they kept it outside so they could get the breeze. Now we're stepping back inside. We are stepping back outside, inside. Where are you gonna plug your charger?
Look,
There's one
there is two.
available ones?
Yeah. I don't know
Oh.
if it works, but there is 2 free.
Oh, then I need to come back.
It's here.
So we're gonna have to sleep.
You want to check your bag?
Yeah. Can you just check? Okay, yeah. Oh, brother. It is locked. Hello. So I'm back, and we are meeting Eva and her son, meu filho, Eric, her son. Incrível. Primeira vez.
Segunda vez.
E dormir no chão é normal?
Dormir no chão.
Yeah?
Sim.
Então a próxima vez, next time, próxima vez eu também posso fazer isto.
Sim. Porque eu acho confortável.
E você fica aqui durante a viagem inteira. E é mais sabe aqui do que lá
Lá
dentro.
embaixo, mais fresco.
With the pillow.
So she was saying this is her second time and she likes it better here because the breeze is nice than downstairs. E você não tem que estar sentada, pode estar relaxada. So she doesn't have to sit down and she could just relax like she's doing. Look, she came all prepared. Look, she even got juice. She even got com pau. She got water. She came prepared. All right, Eric. Obrigada.
Obrigada.
Tchau. Hello. After 18 hours, we finally made it to Praia. And one thing I learned is during these boat rides, you got to bring some of that because you can't sleep in the chair. It's too hard. Everybody was sleeping on the floor. Second thing is, everybody takes off their mask when they sleep. So I think there's not going to be any COVID cases, or if there is, I don't think anybody's dying on this boat. That's just me. So yeah, so we're finally in Praia. And the weather is not as good as in São Vicente. It's that humid weather. Alright.